Okay. Got a little guy right there in the middle. But besides that, oh, there's two on the lid. Not too bad. That kind of, seeing that took me off my train of thought. What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. So yeah, still got a couple guys crawling up on the sides here, but nothing too crazy. The my other bin that's a little less done, I'm noticing that was the one that had the slugs. That one I'm noticing still a lot of kind of crawlers on the side. So let's go ahead, hop right in and check this feeding area out. Oh yeah. Okay, that's just the extra paper that I added. Okay, a few of them look like they're actually going inside. That's kind of cool. Here's the husk. I'm expecting to see a bunch inside. Okay, and there's some castings. Right there, they're actually going underneath the husk. So that's pretty cool. I'll leave that kind of wrapped up. It's either a piece of the watermelon skin or the cucumber. This is cucumber. There's a little seed right there. There should be one more piece of the corn on the cob. Oh, there it is. Wow. Okay. So I came with 2 gloves today to really make sure I get in here. Take this one glove off. This the feeding area is going to be right here. So I have just the shredded cardboard and paper bags. That's so cool with the corn on the cob. I have some celery, and then we had in the fridge some strawberries. I know a couple of them looked pretty gnarly. Yummy. So after that, I'm going to add my azomite. I'm going to cover. And then before I put the coffee filter right there, I'll hit it with a little bit of the worm chow. Okay, so that's pretty neat seeing how the corn husk and the corn on the cob was doing with the worms. Hopefully this area, with it being a little wet, more wet feeding, we can get some more worms in there, keep them going after the corn. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.